Hello, I'm Pierre, and I will be your guide today. Let's see together on the map where this famous green rock is located. Let's zoom in a bit on Landman Alorga. With practice, you can easily find it thanks to this river. Now, I'll enlarge it a bit more, and here's the green rock. Okay, it's a bit remote in the mountains, but I'll show you how to get there from the campsite. Here, this is the must-visit campsite to explore the area, and here's the road you need to take by car. At this intersection, take the F208 heading south. It's not very far. Now cross this bridge. Alright, I'm switching to 3D for the next part. Keep driving a bit up to here in the curve. You see, people park here, but there isn't always space. Maybe you can park 6 cars, try to arrive early. I'm showing you the path with the mouse. It starts out flat. Here you see, there's a small river. You can cross it by jumping on the rocks, and you'll arrive directly in a first small canyon. Look, like this you can see it better. You'll have to climb it all the way up, and all the way back there is the green rock. For those who ask me about the time it takes to get there, I think you should count at least 8 hours round trip. It depends on whether there's still snow in that little valley. When you reach the first pass, that's when the reward comes. You'll have in front of you this entire valley with colourful mountains in all directions. You'll love it. But don't linger too much, because there's still quite a bit of trail left. I won't give you the Icelandic names because they're unpronounceable, but Fabrice has put all that on the website. The rivers, the mountains, and all the photographer's stuff. I'm just a contemplative. Are you ready? Come on, let's continue. We'll follow the left bank of this new valley. It'll allow us to reach the river and cross it. Hey, hikers, watch out for your knees. I won't lie to you. The descent is steep and the ascent, it's the same. That's where motivation is needed. I know it's not easy, but don't worry. Later on the ridge, it'll be a bit flatter. See, when you arrive here, you already have a view of the green rock. Encouraging, right? But it's not over. We'll descend to this viewpoint right in front of the rock. For me, it's the best view. Wait, I'll move the map a bit. See, there's still one last river to cross, and then you can go up along the rock. But above all, don't step on it. It's very fragile. And don't take pieces of rocks either. Don't be a basic tourist. Look around you. Take a moment. This landscape is absolutely unique, and measure how lucky you are to be here. It's very important for me that you understand that this nature should just be contemplated. Well, I'm rambling, but you have to remember to come back and have a little something to eat before making the return trip. Follow the exact same trail, and for all those who want to discover other places like this one, I invite you to buy our digital guide to Iceland. Look, you could spend days and days hiking here. It's really amazing. I never get tired of it. See you soon for new discoveries on the My Secret Map website.